In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up Shopify shipping and delivery settings. Starting from the Shopify admin, go to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This opens the main settings menu for your store. From there, select Shipping and Delivery to open the page where your shipping profiles, zones, and rates are managed. On the Shipping and Delivery page, find the Shipping Profiles section. This is where Shopify groups products and shipping rules together. Open the General Shipping Profile. Since this is the default profile used for your products, unless a different profile is assigned. Inside the General Profile, review the products that are included and check the shipping locations connected to that profile. This gives you a clear view of what is currently covered before making any changes. If you ship from more than one location, make sure the correct locations are included here. Next, set up the shipping zones for the countries or regions where you want to ship. Shipping zones determine which destinations share the same shipping rules. Add the countries or regions you need, or review the existing zones to confirm they match your current delivery coverage. After the zones are in place, add or edit the shipping rates available to customers within each zone. These are the rates customers see during checkout, so review each one carefully. You can update existing rates or create new ones based on the destinations in that zone. Once the general profile looks correct, save your changes. If some products need different shipping rules, go back to the Shipping Profile section and click Add Custom Profile. This creates a separate profile for items that should not follow the default settings in the general profile. Enter a name for the custom shipping profile that clearly identifies its purpose, then select the products that should use it. After assigning the products, configure the shipping locations, shipping zones, and shipping rates for that custom profile. The process is similar to the general profile, but these settings will apply only to the products included in this custom group. When the custom profile is fully configured, save it, then take a moment to review your shipping and delivery settings overall. Check both the general profile and any custom profiles you created, and confirm that the products, locations, zones, and rates are all assigned the way you intend. This final review helps make sure customers see the correct delivery options at checkout. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify shipping and delivery settings are now configured with general and custom shipping profiles.